right, so hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you all from the Diamond Art Club. We have this awesome Let It Snow by Susan Winget. Hopefully I'm saying her name right. It is a diamond shaped square. It is a 20 by 20. Yes, it is. So 51 centimeters by 51 centimeters. So this is our snowman. And this would be my first Christmas or like winter themed diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. So I'm really excited for that. So we did get our special little toolkit here. Yes, we did. We got a special toolkit. I'm really excited about this one because this is one of the newer ones and they do add a couple little goodies in there. And I think they know from me ordering so much that they put these kits in like every other order that I make. So this is our toolkit. It is reusable and recyclable. So you can recycle this right here. It can go right into your recycling bucket. Okay. Let's open this up. Let's see what we get. So, okay. So we have our tray there, sparkly little tray. We have our wax. We have our bags. We have our tweezers. I was about to say we're missing a pen. We got this really cool, nice looking pen and our little squishy thing to put on there. It matches the pen, my friends. We have that, and then we also have our placers. This is a 7 placer, and we also have a 4 placer, I believe. Yep, 4 placer. We have these, and then we have our mine cover. Now, this is something I have not seen. I have not come across this one. This is a dolphin. Look at that. Has like little diamonds in it too, if you can see. How cute is that? This one's smaller. It's definitely small. It's not as big, but we have that. And then we have our, it looks like wave washi tape. Oh, I like that. Very cool. All right. So yes, so that is our toolkit that came in with the snowman. I'm going to put this all aside real quick and we are going to take a look at this wonderful snowman. Just about a couple days ago, probably closer to a week ago, I did a first look unboxing of another diamond painting. I will put it up on screen here so you can see. I'm working on that one right now and I'm taking my time, but we'll go ahead and I'll continue to work on that, and I am going to do a review for Diamond Art Club, review it because I really truly am enjoying it. I'm enjoying it very much. So let's take out our diamonds there. So here we are. We only have 35 colors, my friends. 35. I see 4 ABs. I see a green, 2 reds, and another green. I'm actually really excited about that. Oh, and you get your tips. Yes. So I see a lot of greens, and of course I see a lot of reds. You know, what do you expect, right? And some yellows, and a couple oranges. I see 2 orange. All right. So I'm going to unroll this, but I'm going to unroll it this way. Uh-oh. Making sure. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. This actually is not too big, which is a good thing because I want to be able to finish it before Christmas and put it up on my wall. So let's roll this way. Now I'm using 2 cameras because I want you all to get a good look at with this. I'm experimenting a little bit. Okay, so here is Let It Snow. I actually rolled it the wrong way, but I don't even know if I can get this in the full frame. I'm trying to see if I can. Yeah, so you got a lot of white right here. So I will tell you right off the bat so 35 is like a little tiny dot. And then we have the blacks that are, the circles. That's not a bad one. 35. I don't think I've worked with a 5200. I don't know if I have or not. But a lot of the symbols look relatively similar to other ones. I love the candy cane over here. But this is really nice. Now, I was able to grab this. I saw it and I grabbed it. And I'm like, oh, I'm going to do this. But this is I cannot wait to do this. There's a lot of color blocking, which I like. A little bit of confetti over here. But yeah, this looks really good. I'm trying to look at the plastic on the bottom here. It's a little messed up. Not too much, but yeah, so this says Let It Snow. I'm going to show you all on the other camera. Let It Snow. Oh, I really do like that. I do. I like it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and open up our colors here, okay? So here is our ledger. Like I said, we have our ledger right here of our snowman, Let It Snow. I really like this. I really do. Like, kind of get you in the Christmas spirit. Now, I would have to start it soon, I think, because we're already the 9th of November. But no, Chris, you can't be doing that because you already are working on a diamond painting. So think of it this way. If you don't finish it before Christmas, you can always keep it up until the rest of winter. You know what I mean? Because it does not just snow in December or November. It snows in January, February, March, and sometimes April. Sorry about that. Okay, so these are square diamonds, which is really cool. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have just these two little bags here. We got some browns and blacks. We have a lot of blues. We have 4 bags of 336, and we have 5200. Let's take a look if we can try to see if we can find some of these ABs real quick. Here goes an AB, which this is something I have worked with. This AB, which is 100. And then we also have a 114, which I've also used as well. And let's see. We have a 116 right here. And we have a 115. I do see that there are some different colors in here. I do see like a 415 in here. Because there's not many in this bag, but there is one. I do see one in there. But yeah, we got 4 ABs. I mean, that's not too bad. But yeah, that is Let It Snow. Snowman. Reverse that. Snowman, in parentheses, Let It Snow. From Diamond Art Club. And it is a 20 by 20. It is square diamonds. We have about 35. So again, you don't have to have like a huge like storage case. You can just put all these in numeric order, put them in a little box. You can find them at Target, a little storage box. If you watched my latest video, I show you how I do the unboxing and stuff. and I put them in a little box there. But yeah, that is it. Now, I'm going to give you all a little heads up. I do have another special video coming soon. It's going to be a fun unboxing, but I don't know when I'm going to start it. I might have to start it in December, but we may not start it in December. Maybe we'll pretend it's December and we'll just do it for December. Okay? I'll give you a little hint there. 12 days of December. Okay? All right, my friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what diamond paintings you... Oh, I was just about to say, am I not recording? I am recording. Let me know what video in the video... in the comments down below. If you are working on a diamond painting, what diamond painting are you working on? Are you working on a Christmas one, a fall one, a zombie one? Whatever. You let me know in the comments down below, my friends. I'm going to go. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I'm going to edit this video and put it up for you. Bye-bye.